How to stay positive and grateful even on difficult days. A few years back, I attended a workshop and I learned one thing from that workshop: gratitude journaling. I came to know that gratitude journaling is one of the simplest ways to train your mind to see the good even on difficult days. You don't have to write a very long journal. You just have to keep it simple, consistent, and specific. Because the key is not just writing it, but writing it with intention. You can start with the 3 things you are grateful for each day. And remember this: gratitude is not about having more. It is about recognizing what you already have. Try this practice and you will see how your perspective changes.